Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer 1Password Vault to a new iPhone securely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure both your old iPhone and your new iPhone are updated to the latest version of iOS. Open the 1Password app on your old iPhone. Log in using your master password or biometric authentication. Tap on the settings icon located in the bottom right corner. Select Sync. Choose your preferred sync method, such as iCloud or Wi-Fi. If using iCloud, ensure iCloud keychain is enabled on your old iPhone. Now, open the 1Password app on your new iPhone. If you haven't installed 1Password yet, download it from the App Store. Once downloaded, launch the 1Password app on your new device. Choose the I already have an account option. Log in using your master password or biometric authentication. After logging in, the app may prompt you to select a sync method. Select the same sync method you used on your old device. If syncing via iCloud, make sure you are signed in with the same Apple ID on your new iPhone. Your vault will begin syncing to your new device. Once the sync is complete, review the vault to ensure all data is present. If you face any issues during the transfer, consult the 1Password support page for troubleshooting. Finally, for added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your 1Password account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.